Welcome to Laguna Seca, and today we're capturing coverage behind the scenes with Koenigsegg and their private track day for clients on August 17th at the end of Car Week. In this video, we're going to be showcasing some incredible footage of not only client cars, but also a debut for the Sadair'S Spear. This is an all-out pinnacle version of a Koenigsegg. We've seen crazy models from the Jesko Attack, the Jesko Absolute. If we look back to last year, the Jesko Attack actually put down a new lap record at Laguna Seca Raceway for a 1 minute and 24.8 second lap. It was dethroned again by Czinger. However, this proves for a prime opportunity for Koenigsegg to put down an entirely new track record. So join us as we capture footage of the debut laps for the Sadair'S Spear and show you the lap record they achieved with the vehicle. Did they dethrone their competitor and make their car king of Laguna Seca Raceway? Find out in today's episode. So for this exclusive reporting, we're first going to start out with letting you guys know exactly what the Sadair'S Spear actually is. This is the brand's most aggressive hypercar ever. Based on the Jesko Attack, this vehicle should be even faster. They beat the lap time put down by the Jesko Attack by 1.1 seconds on one of their test tracks. So altogether, this vehicle puts out 1,625 horsepower while weighing less and maintaining the legalities needed to drive onto the streets. So all 30 of these have already been sold out, which is pretty typical for how all this stuff usually goes. It builds with more power, less weight, and improved aerodynamics over the Jesko Attack. So again, this is the most aggressive and potentially fastest Koenigsegg ever. When you look at a track like Laguna Seca, well, this is the optimum track to really show off just how fast your car is. Then to throw on a car even faster than your previous record holder, that would make some massive public attention get seen upon you. So what I'm trying to say here is that all the elements for a lap record are perfectly in place. We do know that the 1,600 horsepower Jesko Attack was really pushing it super far towards race car lap times. No street cars really have ever put down 124 second range lap times before. So when Koenigsegg put down their lap during Car Week of last year, it really shook up the industry. So it's really exciting seeing them have their exclusive track day, the same calendar date of the previous year where they did the same thing. Well, they're matching it with a 1-year anniversary of putting down a fast lap time with this Sadair'S Spear. You still have the 5-liter twin turbocharged V8 with its 9-speed light-speed transmission. There's no flywheel slowing it down. Basically revs to 8,500 RPM in less than a second, 0.2 seconds. You have new engine calibration, improved cooling, air intakes, a horsepower increase of 25. You've upgraded carbon ceramic brakes, wider tires, upgraded suspension, new dampers, new springs, and other lightweight methods to lower the weight by almost 80 pounds. Let's see how fast this $5 million Koenigsegg Hypercar can really go. Are you tired of getting rock chips on your car, especially from going to the racetrack? Well, this video is brought to you by Speed Phenom Film, your go-to destination for all your paint protection film needs. Located in Carlsbad, California, call 760-496-8607 today, or check out the contact information in the description down below to find out a quote completely for free and with zero hassle. Protect your car today so you can enjoy it. Back to the video. So, standing on the sidelines next to the front finish line, our cameraman was able to capture a 1 minute and 25 second .79 lap time. Though, keep in mind, this is time just from a bystander's perspective, right there with the start and finish line. And this video clip, for example, is unedited, showcasing the entire lap. You can feel free to watch this unedited lap at the end of the video for continuity's sake. For standing there on the sidelines, the fastest lap time clocked from the stopwatch that we can report was a 125.79. Now it does put it a little bit less than a second behind the Jesko Attack and over a second behind the Czinger. So with all these tests they were doing, they were really keen to try to keep attention to a minimal. Even in this scene right here, they were lowering one of the garage pit lane doors. There's a big crowd looking at the vehicle, and they were trying to just close the door for a reason that, well, we can only assume. If we pull up Laguna Seca lap times and scroll down, well, here's what we have. These are all race car lap times right here in front of me. But continuing to scroll down, here we have the Czinger 21C. It put down a 1 minute and 24.75 second lap time with 1,267 horsepower. Below that, we have the 1,600 horsepower Koenigsegg Jesko Attack with a 1 minute and 24.86 second lap time. With the time that we clocked from our stopwatch, it puts it a little bit down here towards the end of the high 1 minute and 25 second lap times, which is really good. That's a really good lap time. The closest other street production cars, if we scroll down, this Tesla time is not a production vehicle, that's a race car. Scroll down, we have a vehicle you can buy for the streets right here, the McLaren 750S. You can check out our video of us putting down that lap time. It was so much fun. Below that, we have the 911 GT2 RS. We have the 765 LT. And a variety of other really crazy cars. So let us know your thoughts. Even the Senna right here is at a 1 minute and 27.62. This Koenigsegg seems absolutely incredible. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below of this reporting alongside the racetrack. These hypercars are so beautiful to look at, and to see them actually driven on a track day is a really rare occurrence. In this video, you can see so many of these amazing special edition supercars and hypercars on Laguna Seca together. There's even 4 GTs on track. I really want to get your thoughts in the comment section down below. Which one of these vehicles would you take home? Would it be an Agera RS, the CC850, a Jesko Absolute, or a Sadair'S Spear? Let us know your thoughts. With the vehicle in the garage, they were actively changing the tires. So they had a set of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, and then they were putting on a set of Pirelli Trofeo RS tires, which is similar to a Cup 2R. It's a super aggressive tire found on hypercars. It's even found on the McLaren W1. So if that gives you a good idea of how special and crazy this tire is, good, because it is the real deal. So they were actively changing tires and really going for it. Here are my thoughts why this car did not set a new record at Laguna Seca Raceway. I recently was talking to a few McLaren owners at the McLaren Chateau party during Car Week, and they were letting me know that the track conditions have changed on Laguna Seca Raceway. They were noticing track times were almost as much as a second off pace, because a lot of these corners have been updated. There's been new paint and also some resurfacing that's happened on Laguna Seca Raceway in the past couple of months. So drivers have been reporting to me that lap times have been a little bit slower. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, it really helps us out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next episode.
What? What was being for the guys? Good. You was talking to me, not you. Brothers.
What are you doing here?
Money gonna pick me.